Did you know there's a right way to open your pool at the beginning of the season? Follow these 5 easy yet important steps to get it up and running quickly and to ensure better in-season performance. Drain off accumulated water on the cover away from the pool. Then clean it with BioGuard Stowaway to prevent sticking and odors. Store it in a dry place, free of debris and protected from the sun and weather to maximize life. Inspect all pool equipment, including the pump, skimmer basket, and filter for issues. Fill the pool with fresh water to the middle of the skimmer opening to allow for proper circulation. Add a bottle of BioGuard Pool Opening Complete to ensure amazing clarity and winter filth removal. Then run your pump for 24 hours. The next day, take a water sample to your local BioGuard dealer for analysis. Use a clean 16-ounce plastic container which your dealer can provide. Scoop water from elbow depth away from skimmers and returns. Your BioGuard dealer will use their Alex software to fully analyze your water and determine proper levels for free chlorine, total chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, and calcium hardness. Getting your water in balance first makes other chemical additions more effective. Stay on a proactive routine to keep water looking and feeling great. Routine maintenance is the best way to keep things in top condition. And visit your local BioGuard dealer, where you'll get additional expertise and personalized service to help you open your pool the right way and keep it looking and feeling great all season.